So you need to buy one of these magnetic suction mount things to put your phone on it, either for your car, your RV, your boat. But the truth is that a lot of these just suck. They're bad. They don't stick. They're loose. They don't work. This one, however, does work. This brand was kind enough to send this over to me to review, to check out, and I just wanted to tell you a little bit about it. So thank you to them for sending this out. I will tell you that I get a lot of these and not all of them kind of make it. This one definitely does though. What I really like about this one is that it's very minimalist. Look how little that is. So if you're on a trip, you're renting a car, which is why I needed one of these. I didn't want to have to like be carrying around a huge big mounty thing. This is perfect. I can just throw this into my EDC pouch or my travel pouch, my purse, my bag, and it's very slim. And basically it will open up, and this arm, right, the part that like has to stay up is very rigid and is very sturdy. Taking my old phone here, attaching it like that so you can see that it definitely has a strong hold. It's not going to fall. This part right here is the suction part. And what you may want to do ahead of time, obviously, is just kind of clean the dash or the window or the glass a little bit just to make sure that it's clean. And then this version, why I really like this one, it has this lever. So you unlock it and then you put the mount in the position you want it to, and then click like that, and it forces the suction. It does something, and this suctions to the dashboard. I am going to show you now what this looks like in my car. All right, so while we wait to pick up my kids, I just wanted to show you this mount. Boom.